If you want to change system colors on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we can go to settings. Here we need to scroll down a little bit and we want to go to wallpaper and style, and then we have color palette. So let's open it. And then in order to change the system colors for the interface, for example, we can enable this option. And now as you can see, if you apply it, then you should be able to have different look for different apps, for different menus. And you can also apply the palette to app icons as well. However, not every app is compatible with this option. Only the most default apps are actually working with this feature. Nevertheless, if you enable it, you can also change the color that you wish to use. We can also switch to basic colors over here. And yeah, so for example, I'm gonna pick this one. Let's press apply. And after that, we should be able to switch system colors. So if we go back, as you can see, app colors have been changed. Same goes with the quick settings. Notifications look the same. For example, let's open settings and let's go back to the main menu. As you can see, the text is different. The background is a little bit different as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.